tell you now all that's on my mind. For a love like yours is so very hard to find. I've looked inside myself, now I'm very sure there can only be you for me. I need you more and more. You turn me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. And I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. When you're in my arms, when I'm close to you, there's a magic in your touch that just comes shining through. Want you every day, want you every night. There can only be you for me. You make it seem so right, oh girl, 'cause you turn me inside out and you showed me what life was about. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away. And I wanna do all I can just to show you, make you understand. Only you, the only one that stole my heart away.
Oh, ayan, baby loves. Good morning, ano, baby. Break time lang namin. Ayan. Pawisan pa ako. Ayan. Happy first monthsary sa ating dalawa. Ayan. Tatandaan mo palagi. Ayan, kahit saan ka man naroroon, alagaan mo yung sarili mo. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Stay strong lang palagi, ano, baby loves. Ayan, happy happy first month sorry sa ating dalawa. Ayan, lagi mong tatandaan na nandito lang ako parati para sa'yo. Ayan, hindi yan magbabago kahit anong mangyari. Ayan, salamat kasi nandiyan ka. Kahit na bihira tayong mag-usap, bihira tayong magka-chat. So, ayan, naghihintay lang ako parati para sa'yo. I love you so much, and then mahal na mahal kita. Ayan, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, maging matatag ka para sa mga anak mo. Ayan, laban lang, lakas-lakasan mo lang lagi yung loob mo. Kung ano man yung problema na dumating sa buhay mo, ayan, isipin mo na nandito lang ako parati. Laging nakaalalay, nakagabay, nakasuporta sa lahat na anong gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Ayan, nandito lang ako. Love you so much. Ayan, hanggang dito na lang. Then, happy monthsary ulit sa ating dalawa. First monthsary. Ayan, sana masaya ka kahit sa munting regalo ko sa'yo. Ayan, thank you so much.